Did you think you knew Italian cuisine? Wait until you see these 5 dishes. In Italy, they are amazing, but outside the region, almost no one knows they exist, and number 1 deserves national fame. Welcome to Italia Creations, the channel where we discover the true Italy, the one hidden in flavors, traditions, and dishes you won't find everywhere. Today, we take a journey through 5 incredible regional specialties. Delicious, authentic, and too little known outside their land. We start from Basilicata with the ciaudedda. A peasant dish, simple but full of character. It's made with humble ingredients, but when combined in the right way, they become a flavor bomb. Potatoes, artichokes, fava beans, onion, and in many versions, also a touch of bacon or eggs. The beautiful thing about ciaudedda is that it tells the story of a genuine cuisine, created to make the most of what the land provided in season. It's not a dish made to impress on Instagram. It truly amazes when you taste it. It smells of home, of spring, of a shared table. Yet outside of Basilicata, almost no one ever mentions it. At number 4 is frico, the pride of Friuli Venezia Giulia. If you don't know it, get ready. It's one of those dishes that makes you immediately say, how did I live without it? Frico is mainly made from Montasio cheese and potatoes, cooked until they form a kind of crispy cake on the outside and soft inside. The result? Total comfort food, rich, intense, irresistible. The magic of frico is precisely this. It has very few ingredients but an enormous flavor. It's one of those dishes that speaks of mountains, taverns, winter, true tradition. Outside of Friuli, however, it is still much less famous than it deserves to be. Now we go to Puglia with a dish that seems very humble, but is ingenious. Acquasale. It originates from the reuse of stale bread, born and seasoned with fresh ingredients like tomatoes, onion, extra virgin olive oil, oregano, and sometimes cucumber or olives. Said like this, it seems simple, and indeed it is. But that's exactly the point. When the ingredients are good, simplicity becomes spectacular. Acquasale in summer, sun, countryside, a quick lunch but full of flavor. It is the demonstration that the most authentic Italian cuisine does not come from luxury, but from intelligence and taste. Outside of Puglia, many confuse it with other similar preparations, but acquasale has its own very precise identity. In second place, we find macu, one of the oldest and most fascinating dishes of Sicily. It is a rustic cream made from dried fava beans, often enriched with wild fennel and extra virgin olive oil. It is a humble dish certainly, but it has incredible depth. The macu does not aim for an immediate wow effect. It wins you over with its full, soft, enveloping flavor. It's the classic dish that makes you realize how advanced Italian peasant tradition was. Nutritious, simple, delicious, the truth. Outside of Sicily, almost no one looks for it, yet it is one of those recipes that tells an entire gastronomic story. And at number 1, we have a marvel that deserves to be everywhere, Pampanella from Molise. It is made with pork seasoned boldly with paprika, garlic, salt, vinegar, and spices, then cooked until it becomes very flavorful, fragrant, unforgettable. This is not a timid dish. Pampanella has personality, intensity, character. It's one of those flavors that immediately leaves an impression. It may not be as famous as other symbols of Italian cuisine, but that's the beauty of it. When you discover it, you wonder how it's possible that it's so rarely talked about. Molise is often overlooked in major national gastronomic conversations, but with Pampanella, it pulls out a remarkable ace. These were 5 extraordinary Italian dishes that are still little known outside their region, and that's precisely the beauty of Italy. Even when you think you've seen it all, another wonder pops up to taste. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments which dish from your region deserves to be on this list. Let's see if the real hidden treasure of Italian cuisine emerges in the comments. If you love regional cuisine, true traditions and flavors that tell the story of Italy, this is the right place. Italia Creations.